I'm gonna be very honest with you guys and very transparent that we have been working for like websites for we have worked with a lot of people before, but you guys were the quickest and the most efficient ones, I would say, because the process was smooth, very transparent. You guys were honest about your timelines, and you delivered when you promised, and exactly the standards you promised. It's up to the mark. We are really happy to have you guys and getting associated with you guys, and looking forward for more business with you guys, because we are expanding and we want to grow with you guys.
I'm just curious, just to get some kind of context, like when we first started talking, were you considering other providers before choosing to work with us?
Yes, we did. Like we had like at least 4 providers meetings before before finalizing, and then but also like I had a friend, Gavin, right, who you were working with as well. So he also gave me insights and a lot of other things. Then I put it in the board meeting together when we were sitting in the office, and we noted on points and where we are, how we see
how your experience was working with us. So I was asking Sean Jay a couple of questions, and then at the end we wanted to walk through kind of the back end and then show you how to make those edits and update the content and manage your website and all that kind of stuff. So I just kind of asked him basically what made you guys decide to go with us in the beginning, because he was saying that you guys were looking at 4 other people as well.
So we chose you because the day we had a meeting with you guys, we were so confident in you, and the way you explained everything, you took out mistakes, you pointed out mistakes which like no other company did. So, and a lot of other things as well, and how you guys planned the website is going to look. You gave us a couple of examples of other cleaning company which you worked on. So it kind of helped us understand the whole what do you say, like how this journey is going to be.
And also I want to add something. So first of all, like, professionalism, and I see like the teamwork between you and Paul as well, amazing. So you guys deliver like good communication between you guys and with us as well. And as Shan mentioned, also from the beginning, you impressed us like the way you explain everything. So and also we see like you guys are it's a lot of experience, but at the same time also you are willing to listen what we need. So you give us space as well, like to express what we need, whatever what you consider everything, and it's a teamwork. So we believe like our company will grow with you as well.
So now that the website is kind of like live, how does the final website kind of meet your original goals or your expectations?
Yeah, actually I'm very happy with the current website. So it has everything that we required, like right spaces for everything. Credentials are there at different spaces, and then for different spaces I really love that there are small links to other kind of services or pages, which is very important. Like if someone is scrolling, they don't just stick on one page, they get links to other pages simultaneously while scrolling down through any page. So that's wonderful, actually I love it. And yes, it's we're really happy with that.
Have you guys received any feedback from anybody else on the site?
Yes, one of our clients really loved the website. The master franchise at Toronto. They actually saw we sold just before, like the website was live on Monday, I guess Monday or Tuesday, and we sold on a Friday. So on Friday when we shared our screen, we showed them that website, and next like Monday or Tuesday when we had a meeting with them, we shared the website and we told them it's up live up and running. And so they're like, wow, look at this website, this looks way better than what it was. So like that was the first feedback right away. Like, and even we did not even check the website very well that time, but they were the first one to see it with us. So it was a great experience when they also shared their point of view that it looks very nice. it's more like it's very smooth. Like when you actually go through the website, it's a very smooth website that way.
Was there any part of the process that you guys were pretty like most happy with, like website or process?
I would say the communication
Yes.
communication was outstanding, and the response time. Although we were late sometimes in responding because we were stuck in a lot of things back to back. I was out. Jaya was busy with a bunch of things of mine here. So, but I would say communication and the whole process was the best so far. Like any other vendors, we have multiple vendors, but you guys working with your team, the communication helped us a lot to make things like understand and have clarity on things.
So I see like the positive energy from you guys, from both of you, which is I like the most. So and also you guys are like man of your words, right? So when you say like Paul, also I will deliver this, he delivered right away. Serious, it's good. So I like the teamwork, right? So it's very important for us. Someone like you guys, I like it. So. Instead of going to the cheap place, like it's better to pay, and it's not easy, but we have to do it. For at the end of the day, you pay and then you get the right service. It means a lot.
Yeah, I guess just a couple of final thoughts to close it out. If someone was on the fence about working with us, what would you tell them?
We will tell them you are in the right hands. Like they will take care of you, and all your needs will be fulfilled. And because you guys have a very strong team, that's what I believe in. So I think that's gonna help you guys succeed as well. So that's the only thing I would say, that you guys are at the right place.
Okay, last question. On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you guys say? You rate us.
Yeah, no, I give you guys 10. Like honestly, like I give you 10. My company to rely on you guys and trustworthiness also. I feel comfortable, and yeah, I'm happy with you guys, and I believe also we'll work better in forward. I'm so positive with you guys, so I just want to say thank you so much. That's all. Like just we always need your support.